Hello guys, welcome back. Myself Raika from Team Tuned. So today I want to share a video with you that how we can make an light material, or especially how to make light flicker or make light flicker in Unreal Engine 5. So this is going to be a small tutorial. So let's begin. So here is the scene, guys. Not a proper scene, but it's in scene. It's in like I just opened it by file, new level, and I just selected basics for now because I just want to show you the light material. So for now, I will just grab an light by clicking here and going to the light option and just grabbing a spotlight for now. So bit of customization for now. I'm just turning off the direction light and skylight for now. So for now you can see the spotlight. So just want to do some customization to just smalling the okay. This is it, guys. So now you can see the light is constantly dropping, so we need this to be flickering. So just open the content browser and select content, and in the empty space, just now we're gonna make an material. So just right click here and just select material. So you can name it anything, but I gonna name it light underscore flicker. So this is the material. So just double click and open it, and let me maximize the screen. This is the graph node, and just change the material domain to light function material. I mean light function. Okay. So now we need some couple of nodes. Like the first node is time. By right clicking here, you can search time. Is the time node, and then to connect it with, now we need an multiply node. So in the same process, just click multiply, and now I need an parameter node. I will just name it as flicker and give it a default value to 1. So this will help us how many times the light will flicker, and just connect it to B, and then just another node was right clicking it, just right click in the empty point and just search for sign, and just connect the multiply to sign and drag the pointer here and search for frac. Then this is the frac node, and just connect it to emission color. So now you can see, guys, that the light is flickering, right? This was it. So just apply it, and now you can see, guys, this light is constantly dropping. So I just want to flicker it. So just click the spotlight and go to its detail panels, and we have to just apply the material to the light that we have made. So just scroll down, and now you can see the light function material. Just drag, you can drag and drop, or just you can just select this none or the drop down menu and just click the light flicker. So it will take some time. Yeah, now you can see the light is flickering, but it's looking something unnaturalistic. So the light never flickers like this. So we need more, just 2 nodes to make it somewhat realistic. So just click alt and left click and just drag. So this will disconnect, and now I need 2 nodes to be connected by frac. So drag this and just search for add, just select it and drag here, and this, my bad, just S and select it. Then I will This is the parameter node, by the way guys, it's a parameter node. So its shortcut is just select S and left click, it will appear. So I will give this name as brightness. So I will just connect this to B and this connect this add node to emission color. So for now I will give this some default value to 0.3 maybe. So now you can see guys that the light is not going completely dark or just not just turning off totally. So now you can see something realistic, that it's getting darker but it's not getting that frequently darker or fully darker. So for now I will just disconnect the material and by create an instant material. To make instant material, just right click on the material that we have created and just select here create material instance. For now I'm giving the same name, keeping it the same name. You can customize it by your own and just drag and drop the material here and just double click and open the material. Now we can see that we can customize the my bad we can customize the material by just playing around with the values. So just select the drop down menu here and just enable the brightness and just enable the flicker. Now you can see guys, by changing these values or playing around with the values, you can change the flickering time and flickering brightness flickering. So you can change like for now I will just give a value of 10. So now you can see the light is flickering too fast, and for now 2 is better. I think 2 is also too much, so 0.7 maybe. 0.8 is fine and the minimum brightness is 0.2. So now you can see guys, it's not completely going darker, it's going darker but it's not completely turning off. So this is what I see in games or in real life, that light doesn't turn off completely. So this was it guys, this was the tutorial. And yeah, this was a very short tutorial that how we can make light flicker in Unreal Engine 5. So you can just apply this in any of this light guys, like in not only in spotlight, you can apply this material in like point light also. So this is the point light. For now I have to just go to detail panel and just decrease the radius and just go to the details panel and scroll down. You can see the light function material, click the none. Yeah, you can see. Okay, and you can same do with the rect light too. Just rotate this downwards and same go to the radius and just decrease it so that you can see it better and just drag down. Now you can see the light function material, just click then and select this. So this is it guys, like you can apply this material to any of this light. So this was the very small tutorial. So I I thought many of them might want this in their scene and might have doubt, so I created, because when I was in beginner I too had this doubt that how can I create this material and how to make my scene somewhat realistic or horrifying. Like I got recently I'm working in an environment design that I have inspired from Silent Hill. So I thought of making this tutorial. So this is it, guys. So if this video helped you, then like the video, and yes, do comment if you need any more of the tutorial like this. So thank you guys for watching, and please do subscribe, and yeah, thank you guys.